Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. I'm bimbim.the.model, and if you're into luxury fashion, travel experiences, or just some good old tea, welcome down and become a member of my darling family. So today I have some very special things for you guys. Today I got my first Dior bag, which I will be unbagging or unboxing today, and I got a couple of pieces from Swarovski. So here, I've actually unboxed this before, but anyway, it was on camera. I basically just didn't like how it came out, but anyway. So here, and we're gonna just open it like this. And if you guys have seen my shopping video, you'll kind of know what it is. It is the Lady Dior in the mini size in the satin. I actually wanted, this wasn't my first choice bag. I actually wanted the ultra matte, but I think this is quite cute and it goes with my outfit very nicely. And I think I can do all the stuff I wanted to do anyway, other than hold a camera in here. So it's super, super cute, and there's all of these like cute little diamonds on it. Just divine. So yeah, and it comes with this strap. There's no place for the actual strap like individually, you just put it in the hooks. And then I got the Toile des Huit in the grey and in the blue to cover the handles, to make sure my handles look nice and protected. Now I know that this doesn't have the best resale value, but I don't care because I love it and it's mine, and yeah, that's basically it. And I personally don't buy for investments. I know some people do. That's not me. I like the experience. Basically, you just put the hooks in like this, and they have this very, very nice Christian Dior detailing here. And you just push it like that and put one on this side. I don't think you guys will show this. Just one on this side, and then one on the other side, just cross it over. And apparently this champagne gold hardware is quite hard wearing, so I'm really looking forward to that. So I just put the chain on, and it's beautiful, lovely chain. I actually quite like it, and I think the leather would be quite good, but I think the leather should have been more on it because I don't know how it was going to feel against my shoulder, but we'll see. But it is totally beautiful. I love, love, love this bag. Mwah! I have red lipstick on, but yeah. And you open it up with the little flap, and it's got a little pocket, which I'm just going to use to put my what's this thing, authenticity card in it. I know it doesn't have really good resale value, but I don't care about that at all. I buy purely for my own enjoyment. This book can't go in there, but just put the little authenticity card in there. I buy purely for my own enjoyment, so I'm never selling it. Plus the diamond who's just given me all different types of life. But let's go on to the things I bought from Swarovski. So I'm just gonna set this pretty thing right in front here. Just do it nice and pretty. And you know what? Other than the book tote, the Lady Dior is only like the only bag I kind of like from Dior. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. So I bought this lovely, lovely, lovely brooch from Swarovski. It's just a pink butterfly. It's absolutely beautiful. And then so I then got this bracelet. Now I have the matching, what's this thing? The matching earrings and necklace. So I wanted this cutie, 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 and it's blue ombre. Ah, there we go, blue ombre bracelet. It's actually magnificent. And yeah, so that's the end of my luxury Greece unboxing haul. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.